related to O2 sensor, using the DA-Lite Plus tool. MISFIRE DTC diagnosis, related to ignition coil, using the DA-Lite Plus tool. MISFIRE DTC diagnosis, related to CNG injector, using the DA-Lite Plus tool. MISFIRE DTC. MISFIRE DTCs will appear due to other fault codes, which are present in the vehicle. He will also become inactive. MISFIRE DTC diagnosis, related to O2 sensor. Probable causes. Front O2 sensor connector loose or not connected. Short circuit to ground or battery. Wiring harness problem. Front O2 sensor faulty. ECU pin damaged or faulty. Connect the DA-Lite tool and turn the ignition key on. Go to read and clear DTC's option. If DTC P0031 11, P0032 12, P0133 7C, P0131 11, P0132 12 is present. Clear all DTCs by performing the guided diagnosis. Check and ensure that check voltage from the front O2 sensor pin 1 and pin 5 to vehicle ground. It should be between 0.27 volts to 4.75 volts. Check voltage from the 5.75 volts. Check the voltage from the front O2 sensor pin 4 to vehicle ground. It should be between 11.75 volts to 12.75 volts. Circuit diagram for I6. Circuit diagram for I5. Continuity test. Check continuity from sensor pin 1 to ECU B connector pin E4. Pin 2 to pin F3. Pin 3 to pin K4. Pin 4 to engine ECU fuse. Pin 5 to pin F4. Pin 6 to pin E3. Resistance test. Check the resistance between pin 3 to pin 4 of the sensor. It should be between 2.5 ohms to 10 ohms. If the above steps are okay, and if there is no DTC available in the ECU, go to live parameter option and select the front O2 then click on the play button. Lambda sensor ratio should be between 0.95 to 1.5%. If it is not within the limit, replace the sensor. If in case the engine shuts down in idle RPM, accelerate and increase the engine RPM to more than 2500 and wait for 3 minutes. MISFIRE DTC. MISFIRE DTCs will appear due to other fault codes, which are present in the vehicle. Check the fault code list and correct the electrical DTCs present in the vehicle. Once these codes are rectified, MISFIRE DTC will also become inactive. 11 P032 12 P0133 7C P0131 11 P0132 12. Clear all DTCs by performing the guided diagnosis process as shown. Check and ensure that the front O2 sensor is properly connected. Voltage test. Check the voltage from the front O2 sensor pin 1 and pin 5 to vehicle ground. It should be between. Check the voltage from the front O2 sensor pin 6 to vehicle ground. It should be between 4.75 volts to 5.75 volts. Check the voltage from the front O2 sensor pin 4 to vehicle ground. It should be between 11.75 volts to 12.75 volts. Circuit diagram for I6. Circuit diagram for I5. Continuity test. Check continuity from sensor pin 1 to ACU B connector pin E4. Pin 2 to pin F3. Pin 3 to pin K4. Pin 4 to engine ACU fuse. Pin 5 to pin F4. Pin 6 to pin E3. Resistance test.